Hello students, myself Sanjay Bhardwaj and subject is guidance and counseling, and our next topic from the unit number 1 is need and procedure for educational, psychological and social guidance program. So what is the need and procedure of all these educational, psychological and social guidance program? The total development of the student. Then first of all, the need is the total development of the student means total development is required for the student in all the aspects. Next is the proper choice of the courses. He selects many courses, he has the many choice about the courses or the subject in the courses. So guidance is required, educational guidance is required to select the right course and select the right subject in each course. Proper choice of careers. Many students choose their interest to choose this profession, that profession, and specific profession as a career in future. So guidance is required to work on that selection to achieve the goal in the future. Suppose that a student shows the interest to become a doctor or engineer in future. So it is required to select or choose the science stream in the 11th or 12th standard after the passing the 10th class with good marks. Basic concepts of all the previous subjects should be clear because a building stands on the good foundation. The next is vocational development. Vocational development means for the vocational development of the student, the guidance program is required or needed for the student to select the vocation, correct vocation through which he can earn in his future or livelihood. Development of readiness for choices and changes to face new challenges. There are many problems he faces in different aspects. So guidance is required to solve that problem related to that aspect. Minimizing the mismatching between the education and employment and help in efficient use of manpower. These are the two aspects, education and employment. So guidance helps to minimize the mismatch between the education and employment. Now in nowadays, a student chooses the education system as per requirement of the employment in future, but it should not be there. Motivating the youth for self-development. Most of the youth are confused for social aspect, in psychological aspect, and in educational aspect. So guidance is required to develop himself, helping new individuals to build their identity. Most of the people or students are shy in nature. Some are introvert. So guidance helps to become an extrovert, or forms or shows a new identity of the student by showing his interest, aptitude, ability, and the achievements. The next is to identify the students in weaker section of the society and motivate them. In weaker section of the society, the student or the child live in those areas. Many problems he faces from morning to night. First is food problem, education problem, healthy environment problem. Their society is not clean, water supply is not proper for those. So guidance is required to make the student able to work for him to clean his environment and to use the proper resources to live in the society, or to make a good society, a friendship behavior. Helping students in situation of disturbance and confusion. Guidance is helpful for all those students who are confused in selecting the education subject, vocation, or they are disturbed in losses and in many aspects. So guidance helps in removing the confusion and disturbance in the mind. Checking the wastage and stagnation. Educational, psychological, and social, all the guidance are required to check the wastage and stagnation in the schools, because education is required. Academic education is also required. Skillful education is also required. All the skills are required for the student or the pupil. Identifying students and helping them in special way. Guidance helps those people in a special way if they have the specific or special type of problem they are facing, and some little bit of different from the a uniform problems or the general problems. Guidance help in utilization of time spent outside the classroom. Most of the students waste their time in doing nothing. So guidance helps the students to utilize their time by selecting or choosing the or engaging him or herself in good or creative activities and in the constructive work. Tackling problems of the students explosive. Sometimes we see the students become at unrest position. So before seeing that situation, guide is required to set their mind, to control their body, and to control their emotion. Check on migration. This is the simple point. Check on migration. Migrated students can be checked, and nowadays during the corona period or pandemic, check the migration is required because uh, people are shifting one place to another place, uh, are migrating from one state to another state, or they are moving one house to another house, and in the society they are moving here to there. It may cause a severe problem for the society or him or herself. Fulfilling the deficiencies of home. There are so many deficiencies at home which may arise the problem for the student and the whole family. So guidance helps in fulfilling and guiding the whole family, the student, the younger, adult, senior most family member to fulfilling the requirement. Checking incidents of indiscipline. Sometimes we see students are indisciplined and their behavior is not uh, adjustable or acceptable. So guidance helps those students who are indisciplined inside or outside the classroom, inside the society, or psychological problem, or psychological disturbance, and so on. Identify the need of developing economy. Quantitative and qualitative improvement of education. Qualitative and quantitative improvement of education means a student scores good marks with good knowledge. Not only he scores good marks without having a knowledge. That is not a good sign of knowledge or education. If he scores good marks, having a good knowledge about the concept or the subject, we can say he is good or brilliant in his education, in his classroom. So guidance helps in qualitative and qualitative improvement of education. National development, social point of view, as per the social point of view, we should have good emotion or the positive emotion to develop our nation. We should respect our nation, country. Terrorism or like terrorist activity should not be acceptable nearby area or in the country. Fulfilling the extra instruction need of students. There may be many instructional needs of the students are required. So guidance helps in fulfilling or in achieving their goals, in understanding their goals, and to achieve their specific goal or general goal in their life. Specific instructions may be required for the students with the general instructions. If we take an example, we say to the students, don't use the electric plug with wet hands or without wearing the shoes because you may get shocked with the electricity. This is the special instructions for the students. You should drive your scooter bike with wearing a helmet, without helmet, they can lose their life. So these are the points for which we can say the guidance is required for the educational, psychological or social perspective. Thank you very much. I hope many points will be clear as per your requirement of this topic.